Hello guys! Welcome back to Denson channel. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, please tap the subscription button and hit the notification bell to get updated with my future uploads. Good day guys! Today we are going to visit the Clifton Suspension Bridge in Bristol, England. But before we go to the site, let's visit first the museum. Here in museum, you can find a lot of information about the history of the Clifton Bridge. Like this one, it opens in 1864. These are the actual pictures during those years. The history and the details regarding the construction and the concept for the design of the Clifton Bridge. You can see here also some design models, miniatures. The location, a lot of photos. And this is the view from the one of the window of the museum, where you can see the tower of the bridge. Very beautiful, guys. Imagine this bridge was finished during the 18th century, and until now, after more than 100 years, it's still beautiful. Here guys, there are more information about the bridge. Some models that explains the principles behind the construction of a suspension bridge.
Saka yung history.
How the loads are being supported. These are the pictures that were taken
1864.
during those years.
1877. Yung Brooklyn Bridge.
The events that happened through the years.
Ito ang designer.
And this is Islambard Brunel, guys. The designer of the Clifton Bridge. He is a renowned designer in the UK. He designed many structures that until now are still beneficial to a lot of British people. These are some of the facts about his personal life. Who is Brunel? He is the famous engineer from UK. But he studied in his engineering specialty in France during those years. Most of the early railway stations were also designed by Isambard Brunel. So here are additional facts about the Clifton Bridge. These are the events that happened during the early stage of the construction of the bridge. So if you want to learn the principles behind the suspension bridge, then you can visit this museum located just before the entry to the Clifton Bridge. You can also buy here some souvenirs about the bridge. So these are the clippings from the newspaper during the opening of the Clifton Bridge. During those years, a design challenge was initiated, and a lot of design ideas were presented, but it was the design of Isambard Brunel that was selected to be the best, and so it was implemented during the construction. So we went outside, guys, and this is what you can see outside the museum. And from there you can see one of the tower at the entrance of the Clifton Bridge. It has a toll of
Doon yata tayo.
1 British pound for every entry, for every use of the bridge. Pedestrians and the bicycles can also pass aside from motor vehicles.
Brunel.
So here, guys, you would notice
Bakal pala siya, hindi siya...
a lot of signage about
Saan?
for those people
Is use other footway. Eh, paano tayo
who
lilipat?
are having
Sarado
troubles
yun eh.
and
open sa kabilang.
somehow thinking to commit suicide. So just similar to
Pa tayo ulit.
the Golden Gate Bridge, you can find a lot of signage to remind everyone that there is a solution to any problem and not to commit suicide, because people tend to use this bridge as it has a high elevation, and they're thinking to end their life by jumping out of the bridge, which definitely will kill them because of the height. The Clifton Suspension Bridge is a suspension bridge spanning the Avon Gorge and the River Avon, linking Clifton in Bristol to Leigh Woods in North Somerset. Since opening in 1864, it has been a toll bridge, the income from which provides funds for its maintenance. The bridge is built to design by William Henry Barlow and John Hawkshaw, based on an earlier design by Isambard Kingdom Brunel. It is a Grade 1 listed building. It has a total length of 412 meters, a width of 9.4 meters, a height of 101 meters, and a span of 214 meters. The idea of building a bridge across the Avon Gorge originated in 1753. Original plans were for a stone bridge, and later iterations were for a wrought iron structure. In 1831, an attempt to build Brunel's design was halted by the Bristol riots, and the revised version of his designs was built after his death and completed in 1864. Although similar in size and design, the bridge towers are not identical. The Clifton Tower having side cutouts, the Leigh Tower more pointed arch atop a 34-meter red sandstone clad abutment. Roller-mounted saddles at the top of each tower allow movement of the three independent wrought iron I-bar chains on each side when loads pass over the bridge. The bridge deck is suspended by 162 vertical wrought iron rods in 81 matching pairs. The Clifton Bridge Company initially managed the bridge under license from a charitable trust. The trust subsequently purchased the company shares, completing this in 1949, and took over the running of the bridge using the income from tolls to pay for maintenance. The bridge is a distinctive landmark used as a symbol of Bristol on postcards, promotional materials, and informational websites.
China na ang longest.
It has been used as a backdrop to several films and television advertising and programs.
O 1864 pala.
It has also been a venue for significant cultural events, such as the first modern bungee jump in 1979,
Sakay ng bus na.
the last Concorde flight in 2003,
Wala.
which flew over the bridge,
Medyo malaki.
and a handover of the Olympic torch relay in 2012.
Saan? Ayan.
Thank you for watching. Please click like and leave your comments below. If you are not yet subscribed, please do not forget to tap the subscription button and hit the notification bell to get updated with my future uploads. See you on my next video.